Is your makeup getting cracked and looking cakey in winters? This is the video specially made for all of you, whoever is actually experiencing this, and I will be sharing my secrets to have a glowing face of makeup even in winters. And this is the trick which I always use even for my bridal makeups as well in winters. So if you want to know the secret, stay tuned with the video and do watch the video till the end if you don't want to miss on any of the tips and tricks. And even if you haven't applied layers of foundation, still your foundation is looking like you have applied layers and you're not liking the fact, then this is the video which will sort it out your problems around cakey face of makeup. So do watch the video till the end. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, Miss Harsha. My name is Harsha. I'm a professional makeup artist and an educator, a fashion, beauty and makeup influencer, an aromatherapist, a cosmetologist, a makeover, bridal and skin consultant as well. As I promised that I will be sharing and revealing my secret of having a glowing face of makeup even in winters. So here it goes, and whatever I'll be speaking in this video, follow each step by step, and nobody can stop you to get such a glowing face of makeup this winter. So the first point which will actually ensure that you will not experience a cakey face of makeup is to have a good skin prep before actually using your foundation. So yes, cleanse your face, apply the toner which will hydrate your face, and apply a good moisturizer. In winters, you require a little more moisturizing than in summer. So make sure that your moisturizer is actually capable of moisturizing your skin and very well, goes well with the winter season. And at the same time, you can top that with a good face serum, which will actually double the dose of moisturization on your skin and will definitely help and will prevent your foundation from cracking. So the serum I use on my face, I have used right now also before doing my makeup and also on my clients, is definitely from Resbelle. So this is a face serum which is definitely not oily, which actually seeps into your skin, very lightweighted, and once you apply it, you'll feel that your skin is actually eating up the serum and moisturizing it properly. And though it is named face serum, this is actually, the entire formulation is of a good facial oil. Okay, so no matter what you name it, but it actually works like a facial oil, and it definitely provides that nourishment to your skin, and it kinds of binds the skin and the foundation in such a way that it does not allow the foundation to get cracked. Okay, and this is my trial and tested experience. That's why I'm so specific and I'm so sure about it. So the second thing which will definitely ensure that your foundation does not crack, and this is a trick which I use, I don't know whether others use or not, but I have been using this from last 2.5 years in all my makeup and bridal assignments and in my personal use whenever I do makeup, is blending this serum in foundation. Okay, so if you talk about other serums, see, every serum and facial oil has a different formulation, so I cannot say that every serum or any serum will work over here equally. This serum works, but if you talk about this serum, I am using it since 2.5 years and I'm very much sure about this particular formulation that it really works. So what I do, I just take up a palette, a mixing palette, which normally we all makeup artists use to mix our colors of foundation. So what I do, I'll just show you a quick demo. So I take whatever, right now I'm taking 1 pump of foundation, you can take as much as you require. So I'm taking up a foundation over here, and I'll just shake this serum little bit so that all the heavier and light oils and all the ingredients are well mixed and delivers me the exact formulation which I'm looking for. So I'll just take this serum, and if the skin condition is too dry and too thirsty in winters, then I'll put 2 drops of serum into the foundation, or I will just use 1 drop. Okay, so this is a general thing and you have to try it out what works for you. Okay, but this is generally what I do when I mix my foundation with the serum. So what I do, I'll just drop one drop, and I'm dropping two drops basically, just to show you that this is such a brilliant formulation that it will not, disturb the molecular structure of your foundation. And there are few things which I have personally experienced with this entire experiment over here. That first of all, whenever you mix this serum and the foundation, you will see that the foundation and the texture gets more smoother, which is quite obvious because we are mixing a very nourishing oil. The second thing is, it actually becomes, the elasticity becomes very nice of a foundation, because in winters, if you are using a matte foundation which works perfect for summers, may not work, or mostly it does not work that well in winters and makes your skin look cakey, because the matte foundation does not has too much of moisture content in it, and because your skin is already thirsty, so when you apply a matte foundation, it gets cracked because the lack of moisture is there in matte foundation. So if you put 1 or 2 drop of serum, you have to see how much quantity works for you. It actually allows the foundation to become little creamy, but again it will not affect the longevity of the foundation. This I have personally experienced, that even if I am blending serum in it, it is not disturbing the longevity of the foundation, and the foundation is staying the same as it was staying in summers without the serum. Okay, so this is all like what I have observed with this serum and foundation together. So as you can see that it has become very smooth. I don't know, of course it's not possible to show that on camera, and the texture has become very smooth. You can blend now the foundation very easily, because when you have a dry skin winters and the foundation is matte, it becomes very difficult to blend the foundation properly. It becomes patchy, it becomes cakey. So this 2 drops of this magical serum will help you in getting rid of all those problems with makeup and with foundation. And at the same time, what you can also experience with this serum is, what I have also noticed, that when you blend the foundation, you will feel that glowy effect. Okay, so you don't have to buy another foundation for winters. That's a huge savior, by the way. The same foundation which is good in summer can work well in winters just by adding few drops of serum. And I will suggest Rose Belle serum because this is trial and tested. The formula perfectly blends with all kind of foundations. I have tried this serum with Huda Beauty foundation. Perfect. If you have a Huda Beauty foundation and you are struggling with the blending and the application, which mostly everybody does, this is what you require to make that Huda Beauty foundation work for you. And if you are planning to throw the foundation because it does not work in certain areas in India, and especially when I have tried, I bought the Huda Beauty foundation with so much of zeal and excitement, but it didn't turn out well. But after using this serum into the foundation, I tried and it worked. Okay, so you can try that too. So by far I have used this serum with Maybelline Superstay foundation for my daily use. It goes perfectly. I have used with Huda Beauty foundation on my brides. I have used with Estee Lauder foundation on my brides, and I have also used it with NARS. So these are the foundations which I have used till now with this serum, and it has worked perfectly. And these all foundations have different formulations from each other, different texture, and I was happy that one serum is perfectly going well with all these brands. So you can also try it out, and this will definitely give you a really good result, that dewy glowy feel. And one more thing, it binds the molecule or the foundation very well. Okay, it will not allow the foundation to crack. At the same time, it will keep your skin hydrated and without disturbing the finish and the texture of the foundation. How cool is that, right? So it has perfectly worked for me, and I thought of sharing with you guys, because in winters I know those who do their personal makeup or even the professionals, they do struggle with the foundations which work perfectly in summer, but in winters they are quite difficult to work with. And even if it is work friendly, it's not giving that good kind of flawless kind of result because of the texture and formulation. And trust me, no matter whether it is a makeup product or a skincare product, your product changes with the change in the weather, and because of the weather change, your product delivers a different kind of results throughout the year. And you have to know that there is no one product which will behave in the same way in any kind of climate changes in most of the cases. So for this video, I have shared this information with you, and I do this and I do apply this serum on my brides. If you are one of my brides who is watching this video, or you have already experienced your bridal experience with me, you know that I have used this serum on you. So yes, it has worked perfectly. I have received no complaints that the makeup was smudging or makeup came off or something like that. So yes, the feedback is great. You can try it out. I'll drop the link to buy this serum in the description box below so that you can go and check it out. And it's a very small and very reasonable bottle. So it's $3.49 for a 10 ml quantity, which goes really long. Okay, it's 10 ml, but it really goes long because you are using just 1 or 2 drops, so it really goes a long way. So you can try it out and have a beautiful face of makeup even in winters, along with that dewy glow which we all desire in winters. Okay, nobody likes a matte finish makeup in winters, according to me. At least I don't enjoy it. So if you are one of them, do check it out. So this was all about this video. I hope this information was helpful. You know what, I love experimenting with products and formulations, and as I'm a cosmetologist, this is something which is a part of my regular activity, and I just love whenever I experiment something and I get some kind of result which people are looking for. I just think of sharing it with all of my subscribers and students and clients through YouTube videos. So if you found this video helpful, do share this video with all your loved ones and friends. I hope they will like it too, and this will help them too as well. And at the same time, if you want any kind of topic for me which you feel like I should cover, let me know in the comment section as well. And if you try this serum, let me know how it was for you, and if you find any challenges in using, and sometimes the how you are using it also makes the difference. So if you find any challenge, let me know. I'll definitely ask my manager to get in touch with you and guide you with whatever you experience during the process. So yes, this was all about this video. You can also follow me on my Instagram handle. So this is my Instagram handle where I share a lot of fashion, beauty, makeup and lifestyle related content, and all the updates of my upcoming videos go here on my Insta stories. So you can follow me there so that you don't miss out on any of my videos. Until then, stay happy, stay beautiful, have a flawless face of makeup in winters as well, because you know what, with right information and knowledge, you can experience a flawless face of makeup. And if you really want to know more such things about makeup, beauty and skincare, stay tuned and stay connected with my channel, because I'll be coming up with very, very interesting content in the near future as well.